Item. SCP-1015. Object Class. Safe. Special Containment Procedures. SCP-1015-1 is to be contained in a passcode-locked safe in a 2 x 2 meters room to be supervised by one guard at all times. All testing is to take place in a room lined with several layers of thin rubber, latex, paper or other material on the floor, walls and ceiling. Each layer of material must be no thicker than 0.5 mm. Description: SCP-1015-1 is an American penny marked with the year 1974. All markings present on the coin match pennies minted in this year. Metallurgical analysis has thus far been impossible, as the penny has resisted all attempts to cut or scratch it, and is unaffected by temperature changes, always cool to the touch. A person possessing the penny is known as SCP-1015-2. No willful action by SCP-1015-2 will permanently rid them of the penny. Dropping, throwing or giving away the penny will result in the penny reappearing somewhere on SCP-1015-2's person within 4 seconds. Ownership transfer requires the death of SCP-1015-2 followed by another person picking the penny up, or the theft, non-consensual taking of the penny from its current owner. Within 2 hours of the penny's acquisition, objects touched by most exposed body parts, see test log of SCP-1015-2 are instantly transmuted into one or more 1974 pennies. For approximately the first 24 hours, the effect will only manifest on small objects, barely larger than a penny. Over the next 2 weeks, the effect will increase the maximum size of affected objects, probability of transmutation on contact, and percentage of matter converted on contact. Eventually, contact with SCP-1015-2 will convert all solid, contiguous matter into pennies. Objects that are smaller than a penny in any dimension are not affected. Transmutation only occurs as long as SCP-1015-2 is alive. The effect conserves volume rather than mass. That is, all space occupied by the converted object will be replaced as efficiently as possible by pennies, with any remaining non-transmuted volume apparently lost. The effect's boundaries thus far seem to be limited to a single solid contiguous object at a time.